Greetings, Royal Court. Thank you for joining me on another episode of Dead Space, episode 14. Yes, really exciting today. Let's hop straight into the juicy gameplay. I say hop in, but I don't even remember. Right, no, okay, I remember. You have to inject call Wheezer. We left off yesterday episode. We left off yesterday's episode after we kind of checked out the freezer here. It was a big freezer, you know. Which is weird. It was such a big freezer, but nothing is stored in the freezer. Don't you find that kind of weird? Anyways, we still have to inject the last Wheezer. Right here, I'm guessing.
Toxic hazard detected.
Isaac, where are you? Help me.
Yeah, I'm not falling for this trick again. Fake ass Nicole. You know, fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice, can't get fooled again.
Toxic hazard cleared.
Looking at the amount of corpses here, I thought there was like a bird gonna show up. Okay, still more than enough time for that to happen. Whoa! I fucking called it as well! What the fuck? Can I take a seat? I'll take a free ride, bro. I can't even get in, bro. Alright then. Can't even get his item then. Let's see here. Item. I probably stopped at everything then. Let's continue. Over here probably. I called it as well. That's so crazy.
Oh god.
Where's Ryan Daniels?
Kendra?
It's him. Two doors behind you. Karen. Wait, he's gone. He waved at me, and... sorry, Isaac. Keep going, just a glitch on the cameras. It looked like my little brother. Stupid, right? That's not possible.
It's not possible. Well, I checked two doors behind me. He's not there, little bro. So, stop dreaming. God damn. I said last episode hydroponics didn't look that infested, but look at this shit, bro. Cleaning up the streets, one bad guy at a time. Who the fuck is this? Thanks for the rig, I guess. Oh, hi. Hello. Excuse me, distinguished gentleman. Oh, I wanna go up, bro. I need to save Carl Wheezer right there, bro. He's kind of in a tough spot. Game's not letting me. Oh, get me the fuck back up. Get me the fuck back up.
Hazardous anomaly detected.
Get me the fuck back up, bro. What the fuck? Oh, and everything is like slowy ground, dog. Oh my fucking god. Too fucking easy, bro. Too fucking easy. Get on my fucking level, bitch. Get on my fucking
Quarantine
level.
lifted.
Oh my god. Oh! I always thought what those blue poles were. Okay, I guess you could actually use them. I never thought about that. Well, now I did, of course, but yeah, get on my fucking level, bro. Little fucking loser, dog. Holy shit. Give me that shit as well. What the fuck? Did he just start eating his corpse? What the hell? What kind of shit is this guy into, bro? Right. We need to find a data board in order to reroute power to somewhere. The search begins. Open sesame.
Toxic hazard detected.
This is the data board we need. Alright, good shit. This glass doesn't break, so it's kind of difficult to hit that shit. I see a door over there. We probably need to enter right there. That just unlocks a shortcut, probably. Alright then.
Toxic hazard cleared.
Well, lucky. It'll come later. I am. It's activated as well.
Entering zero gravity.
This cunt! Fuck you, bro. I hear something else too, but let me just.
Toxic hazard detected.
Don't worry, buddy. I'll make it disappear.
Toxic hazard cleared.
There's still one. Why is my suit red? Does that mean anything? Probably not. No, there's still one in the area I couldn't reach with the door. We are flying upside down. This was the room, no? I think so. Okay, see now I have an ID. But it's an explosive ID. And I don't know if it's gonna work. You know? If I shoot it, right? And I kill the guy.
Exiting zero gravity.
What then?
Toxic hazard detected.
No. Leave you right there. And I'll definitely kill him. What if I kill him? So what? Does that matter if I kill him? Is that bad? Did I get the bad ending? Never mind, I just fucking missed. Alright. Let's upgrade to Ripper, because the Ripper is actually the best gun in the game. There you go, now let's get out of here before we choke to death. Calm down, bro. Why is battle music still playing? Like, I know there's nothing alive at the moment. Let's get up here, right? So this is where we killed this dude. Is there a door that we maybe missed? Doesn't seem like it. Maybe on the second level something we missed. Yes, this door, straight ahead. Did I come from here? Okay, this is new.
Zero gravity.
I have nothing to sell, but I can buy a node. Let's see. Some Sonic. I will purchase another fucking power node and then spend it on my Ripper Blade, because the Ripper Blade is just the best weapon in the game. Let me save real quick. Bam. Bam. And let us press forward into the filtration hole. Well, that doesn't look good. And this shit looking a lot worse. Alright, prepare yourselves. Fucking put a leg behind it, Isaac, please. Hey. Alright, cool. No, I fucking knew it! Isaac, fucking shoot that thing, bro! Isaac, we're gonna die. Isaac, we're gonna die. Holy shit. No, we're dead. Isaac, you dumb fuck, bro. It doesn't fucking touch you anymore. Back in its hole, and you think like, huh? That was weird, huh? How did that happen? Yeah. I'm ready for you, you fucking monster. No, please! Isaac, please! Good shit, Isaac. Good shit. I would still suggest running the fuck away. 2 bullets? Oh my god. Bro, that's basically just a tax man of fucking ammo, bro. Give me your body.
Just the repair mission, they said. Not this. Not seeing my dead brother on the fucking camera.
Daniel, calm the fuck down, bro.
Imagine what the marker could do in the wrong hands.
It already is in the wrong hands.
Just thinking, if some corporate asshole tries to take the marker, you and me could do something about it.
You're leaning pretty hard on that if.
Oh, come on. Where's Hammond?
Yeah.
What's he doing?
Where is
I don't
Hammond,
know.
bro?
If I don't focus, we'll run out of air before it matters.
Yeah, if we don't lock the fuck in, bro. Lock the fuck in, Daniels. Hammond, you too, bro. Lock the fuck in. Excuse me. Hello. Hello. There. Oh, that's sick.
Entering zero gravity.
1 hour later.
Exiting zero gravity.
Jesus fucking Christ. Throwback control. What? Turning off? Don't we need that shit to be on?
Entering zero gravity.
I think I left another box behind as well. Oh, I think I turned these electrical thingies off. Right, now I hear an enemy and it's not fucking worth it, bro.
Exiting zero gravity.
Alright, what is there to do? Hello.
Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
Are these the filtration tubes? Let me guess, we need to run through these in a timer before getting fucking incinerated.
Correct!
This sounds like good old fun. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Oh, excuse me!
Purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
Uh-oh. How does it not, like... Science, I guess. That. Alright, looks like everything. Money.
Thermodynamic
Let's go.
purifiers malfunctioning.
Let's see more money.
Of filtration tubes.
Yeah, bro. I don't understand. What? Uh-huh. 1,800, bro. That's crazy. But what do you want? Get the fuck out of here, kid. Shortcut. What did I just do? I don't care.
Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning.
Let's keep
Stand clear of filtration tubes.
left or right, left or right. Comment your guesses down below. It was left.
Toxic hazard detected.
Don't worry, buddy. I'll make it disappear.
Toxic hazard cleared.
So cheap. It's just copying itself at this point. What the fuck? Alright, if you want to leave that badly, bro, be my guest.
Purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
What a beat, bro. What a beat.
Isaac, please, thank you. Help me.
Be silent, wench. You are not real.
Toxic hazard detected. Toxic hazard cleared.
There's peace. Thank you.
Don't worry about it, cuz.
Leviathan's metabolism is slowing.
Cross. Something's up.
It must have worked. You gave it enough enzyme to dissolve a freighter. Okay, I'm unlocking food storage. Quickly get back there and space the bastard while we have the chance.
I'm guessing I need to go up. I don't know. Hey, I did. I'm so smart, bro. Oh, wait, yeah, we need to go to the beginning where she told us to fuck off. Now she wants us to fucking come in, bro. Alright. Oh, fuck! Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Die in peace, dog. What an annoying fucking enemy, bro. That is probably the worst enemy to resist. I did not have to go this way. Max load 2,600 kilograms. Damn. Some of my friends can't even get on this lift. This is the flow control, bro. This is if you can. The guy just spawned the fuck in, bro. You good, Charlie? Huh? Nothing? Alright. You know what was coming. The end of the video. It's always there. Thank you all so much for watching today. In the next episode we will probably kill this giant Leviathan. So I hope you will be there to enjoy it with me. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload. This has been your ruler Alba, signing off.